This is the Burmese beef curry, and I want to show you how to open it with a knife like this one. To put it here on the rim and apply the pressure down with the knife gently like this one. You see the tip of the knife gone through the metal. Then we will put another one next to it. So you got the first cut here, then you put it here and let the blade eat the metal to this way. You see, this is the next step. You put the next one, the tip gone through the metal, then the next one, then the next one, until you can open the can. That quite slow but safe. It's much safer way to open the can with just a knife, a pocket knife. Then maybe if you what you see here is just after less than 30 seconds. I think you can do that in 20 seconds if you try that before, and it's a bit slower than the other way, but this one is more safer. You can see I cut to all. Here is almost I can lift the lid up now.